Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you're fine today after Eid holidays and you have enjoyed a lot. So I have bought a new video today for my students that will be really helpful for them in IELTS writing task 2 or speaking tasks, right? As you can see, the structure topic right before you will be grammar structure, English grammar structures. And today the structure we are going to talk about will be used to plus verb. Yes. Well, before we begin a lesson, I want you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon if you are the first visitors. You will be updated with the latest videos. Right. Let's kick off now. Used to plus verb. Well, the pronunciation of used to, that's not used to, that should be used to. Used to plus verb means first form of verb. Why we need this structure and how we can use this structure, that is very indispensable for us to know, right? So move on. Definition. Well, we use this structure used when we refer, okay, things in the past. A very key point to know, we use used to refer things in the past which are no longer true. In easy words, easy to remember the definition, the things you used to do in the past and now you are not in touch with them, right? That's a clear definition of used to. I will give you the definition in Urdu as well so you can come to know why we use used to, how you guys can use used to in structure, in speaking easily. So I'm trying my best to make things quite clear, simple for students to learn. A second point, it can refer to repeated actions or state or situation. Any situation, any action a person used to do in the past and now he is not in touch with that action or situation, we use used to. If we talk about other definition, there will be this one. You guys can read and your concept will be further lucid what used to is actually for. Let me clear one thing. Used to plus verb has two structures. I'm talking about only structure one. So if you have any confusion, I hope so. No confusion will be pending or you will not having any confusion. So if in case you have, let me know in the comment box, right? Now, let's move on to the syntax. I mean, what is the formula? How the structure develops, right? Number one, positive. Positive sentences, right? In positive, affirmative mean positive sentences, we need subject plus used to plus verb. Clear? So I used to ride a cycle. Clear? Subject I used to, verb ride a cycle. Second sentence, Ali used to read newspaper. Government used to help the poor. These all three things mean, let's take example of Ali. Ali used to read newspaper. It means Ali in the past used to read newspaper, but in the present he is not in touch with newspaper. Clear? That is a positive. This formula is positive formula and you can relate this with each of them, right? Now let's move on to negative. Well, in negative sentences, we use did not. We use subject plus did not plus verb plus object. That's common, right? So I did not used to ride a cycle. Did not used to ride a cycle. So this is a negative sentence structure. Ali did not used to eat turnips. Government did not used to facilitate people. Negative used to verb. This is subject. So this is a negative formula, right? And now let's move on to question. Here we go. Syntax of question. In the question, it means you're asking someone else, right? Did you used to take coffee? I think we met once a couple of years ago. Did you used to work with Kevin Harris? Did you? Did comes out and subject, verb, and first form. For first form of verb, the same work, right? So this is the structure. These were the formulas, negative, positive, and questions. You can easily use this structure in speaking as well as writing. Both are valid, right? I'm not gonna give you one more example of mine. For example, I used to speak in Urdu. It means in the past I tried speaking Urdu, but in the present now I'm not speaking, right? So it's very easy to understand. I hope you have enjoyed, you have learned something. Now try to use in your speaking as well as writing practices. Inshallah, you will grip this concept. See you guys in the next video with structure 2. I hope you have liked. Please like the video, share it if you feel it's informative. See you. Bye bye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.